Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to give you a short demo of a group project I worked on. The topic was to give the construction methodology for an existing building, demonstrating our eligibility as a construction management firm in a short duration. First, the details of the building we considered. The ECE Building is slated to be the world's largest net zero building, aiming for LEED Platinum. It consists of a total area of 230,000 square feet, comprising of state-of-the-art classrooms, laboratories and facilities. With overall estimated cost of $95 million and project duration of roughly 2 years, we estimated the project to be finished just in time, before the beginning of the fall 2015 semester. The construction work was broken down into usual categories of work packages, with a special feature of addition of a tunnel connecting the ECE building with the Beckman Institute. The first on-site phase included mobilization of equipment on site and beginning excavation for foundation. The next stage was to compact the earth and lay the foundation for the building. As this involved various operations such as erecting formwork, preparing rebar cages, concreting and finally backfilling, various site zones were designated for materials storage and equipment location during each activity. The occupancy of each material zone was predetermined by preparing a 4D schedule of the construction site. We then described how we plan to proceed with erecting the superstructure for the building. The vertical nature of the construction led us to make a decision of using a tower crane for the purpose of the assumed project. After the superstructure is in place, we proceed to explain how we shall enclose the envelope for the building, so that we may begin to work in the interiors of the building. Here we explain the methodology for erecting concrete masonry walls along with glass curtain wall system and the roof structure. We also discuss insulating materials and the waterproofing polymers used to protect the interiors from the elements of nature. At each stage, the site logistics are also explained. After enclosing the building cavity, the exterior wall cladding shall be scheduled to be erected, as the interior finish works ensue inside the building. At this stage, the interior spaces of the building shall be used for storage of materials. The peculiar design of this building dictated use of modular terracotta for the exterior cladding. Hence, we discussed the various precautions that we plan to take while working with terracotta to avoid delays. Next, the peculiar aluminum canopy shall be erected in position. The special feature of this canopy is that it results in 5% savings in total energy usage, due to passive solar heating. We made a decision from construction management standpoint to construct the tunnel at the very end. This was because we considered that having it constructed at the end shall allow us to utilize the site in the tunnel area for material storage in the beginning stages of the project, when the site space was congested due to large number of activities. As it was a non-critical activity, this decision did not affect any other activity. As the major attraction of this project was its net zero status, we described how we, as construction management firm, plan to execute the placement of mechanical ventilation and heating systems. The key feature of the design was use of chiller beams, which alone resulted in 25% savings in energy costs. We also explained the major electrical systems installed in the building and their interrelationship. For a management firm, it poses a great pressure to ensure proper performance of the installed equipment to deliver the net zero promise. For the building, we explained the various plumbing systems specified and their installation plan. We also prepared a procurement schedule for such high-lead equipment, and synchronized our ordering schedule with the activity schedule with suitable buffer, to minimize equipment idle times. Apart from these aspects, we emphasized on various quality assurance and quality control measures undertaken at each step so as to minimize rework and to qualify as per LEED Platinum requirements. Various OSHA guidelines were also discussed and we put forth our plan to enforce them on site. Finally, we displayed a rendered picture of the model using a plug-in from SketchUp depicting the proposed building. I thank you for watching this video, and taking an interest in me as potential employee.